tiny three-wheeled delivery vehicle transformed city logistics, while a double-decker bus chassis became the heart of urban transport for decades. These weren't just trucks, but they were shocking innovations that changed everything. British engineering shattered conventions and delivered breakthroughs the world wasn't ready for, setting standards no one could have predicted. The Dennis Dominator entered production in 1977 and quickly established itself as a revolutionary force in British bus manufacturing. Dennis Brothers Limited developed this double-decker bus chassis specifically to meet the evolving demands of urban public transport operators. The Dominator featured a lightweight construction that reduced fuel consumption by approximately 15% compared to contemporary designs. Engineers at Dennis incorporated a rear-mounted engine configuration that maximised passenger capacity. The chassis accommodated bodies ranging from 9.5 to 10.6 metres in length. London Transport placed substantial orders for the Dominator, with deliveries beginning in 1979. The vehicle's modular design allowed operators to select from multiple engine options, including Gardner, Cummins and Rolls-Royce power units. The Dominator's independent front suspension represented a significant departure from traditional beam axle configurations. This system improved ride quality and reduced maintenance requirements. The chassis weighed approximately 6,800 kilograms, contributing to its exceptional fuel efficiency. Dennis manufactured over 7,000 Dominator chassis between 1977 and 1991, with exports reaching Hong Kong, Singapore and numerous other markets. Scania introduced the 142H model in 1981, but its development bore significant British influence through the company's operations in the United Kingdom. The 142H featured a 14-litre V8 engine producing 420 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful trucks available in Europe during the early 1980s. British hauliers immediately recognised the vehicle's potential for long-distance operations. The 142H incorporated an advanced air suspension system that provided superior load stability. The truck's cab design prioritised driver comfort, with features that were uncommon in commercial vehicles of that era. British operators particularly valued the 142H's reliability on challenging routes across Scotland and northern England. The vehicle achieved a top speed of approximately 110 km per hour when fully loaded. Scania's British division played a crucial role in testing and refining the 142H for European market conditions. The truck's fuel efficiency averaged 7.5 miles per gallon under typical motorway conditions. British transport companies operated hundreds of 142H units throughout the 1980s, establishing Scania's reputation for premium heavy haulage vehicles. The model remained in production until 1988, with British specification vehicles featuring modified lighting systems and enhanced safety equipment. Leyland Motors introduced the Octopus in 1934 as a revolutionary 8-wheeled rigid truck. The vehicle addressed the growing demand for heavy-duty construction and municipal transport applications. The Octopus featured a distinctive twin-steer, twin-drive axle configuration that distributed weight more effectively than conventional four-wheeled designs. Engineers at Leyland developed the Octopus to carry payloads exceeding 12 tons, a remarkable capacity for the mid-1930s. The truck utilised a 6-cylinder diesel engine producing approximately 100 horsepower. The 8-wheel layout provided exceptional stability on uneven surfaces, making the Octopus particularly popular with construction firms and local authorities. Production continued through multiple generations, with the final Octopus models manufactured in 1972. The vehicle served extensively during World War II, transporting military equipment and supplies across challenging terrain. Post-war versions incorporated updated powertrains, including engines producing up to 150 horsepower. The Octopus could navigate tight urban environments despite its substantial size, with a turning circle of approximately 18 metres. British municipalities operated Octopus trucks for refuse collection, road maintenance and infrastructure projects throughout 5 decades. Albion Motors launched the Ryver in 1958 as a medium-duty truck designed for regional distribution and municipal applications. The Ryver featured a forward control cab layout that maximised cargo space while maintaining compact overall dimensions. Albion equipped the truck with their own 4-cylinder diesel engine, producing 87 horsepower. The Ryver's construction emphasised durability and ease of maintenance. The vehicle's chassis utilised high tensile steel components that reduced weight without compromising strength. Albion offered the Ryver with gross vehicle weights ranging from 7 to 12 tonnes, providing operators with multiple configuration options. The truck's 4-speed gearbox with overdrive facilitated economical cruising speeds on main roads. British operators valued the Ryver's reliability in demanding service conditions. The vehicle's cab incorporated features uncommon in medium-duty trucks of the late 1950s, including improved ventilation and ergonomic driver controls. Albion manufactured the Ryver at their Scottstoun facility in Glasgow until 1972. The truck served extensively in Scotland's whisky industry, transporting barrels between distilleries and warehouses. Municipal operators utilised Ryver chassis for specialised bodies, including fire appliances and mechanical sweepers. Guy Motors unveiled the Big J in 1964 as their flagship heavy-duty truck. The vehicle represented a bold departure from conventional British truck design, incorporating several features that were years ahead of competitors. Guy engineers developed a distinctive fiberglass cab that reduced weight and improved aerodynamic efficiency. The Big J featured a turbocharged Cummins engine, producing 210 horsepower, exceptional output for a British truck in the mid-1960s. The vehicle's tilt cab design facilitated engine access, reducing maintenance downtime. Guy offered the Big J in multiple configurations, including 4x2 and 6x2 axle arrangements. The truck achieved speeds exceeding 65 miles per hour, making it suitable for motorway operations. British hauliers appreciated the Big J's advanced features, including air-assisted braking systems and power steering as standard equipment. The cab provided substantially more interior space than contemporary British designs. Guy manufactured approximately 1,500 Big J units before production ceased in 1970. The truck competed directly with imported European vehicles, demonstrating that British manufacturers could produce technologically advanced heavy-duty trucks. Several Big J examples operated in long-distance haulage until the early 1980s. Foden introduced the Alpha in 1966, marking a revolutionary moment in British truck design. The Alpha featured a lightweight aluminum cab that reduced overall vehicle weight by approximately 500 kilograms compared to steel cabbed competitors. Foden's engineers developed a 2-stroke diesel engine specifically for the Alpha, producing 150 horsepower from a compact 6-cylinder configuration. The Alpha's cab-over-engine design maximised cargo capacity within legal length restrictions. The vehicle incorporated a sophisticated air suspension system that improved ride quality and protected cargo from vibration damage. Foden offered the Alpha with various wheelbases, accommodating bodies from 16 to 24 feet in length. The 2-stroke engine utilised a Roots-type supercharger to achieve high power output from relatively small displacement. This power plant required oil to be mixed with fuel, a system that proved controversial among operators. DAF introduced the 2800 in 1974, though British engineering contributions significantly influenced its development. The 2800 featured a spacious cab that set new standards for driver comfort in European trucks. DAF equipped the vehicle with an 11.6 litre six-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 280 horsepower. British operators immediately recognised the 2800's advantages for long-distance haulage operations. The truck's cab incorporated a sleeper compartment with a full-width bunk, exceptional for the mid-1970s. The 2800 achieved fuel efficiency of approximately 8 miles per gallon under typical operating conditions. DAF's British assembly facility in Leyland contributed to the vehicle's production, with units built specifically for the UK market featuring right-hand drive configurations. ERF introduced the E6 in 1972 as a premium heavy-duty truck designed for demanding long-distance operations. The vehicle featured a spacious tilt cab that provided exceptional engine accessibility. ERF equipped the E6 with a Cummins 14-litre diesel engine, producing up to 290 horsepower in later specifications. The E6's chassis incorporated advanced materials that reduced weight while maintaining structural integrity. ERF offered the truck in multiple axle configurations, including 4x2, 6x2 and 6x4 arrangements. The vehicle's cab design prioritised driver comfort with features including adjustable seating, improved ventilation and reduced noise levels. Scammell lorries introduced the Scarab in 1948, creating one of the most distinctive commercial vehicles in British history. The Scarab featured a three-wheeled configuration designed specifically for urban delivery operations. The vehicle utilised a mechanical horse concept, connecting to semi-trailers via an automatic coupling system. The Scarab's design maximised manoeuvrability in congested city streets. The vehicle measured just 10 feet in length and weighed approximately 1.5 tonnes unladen. Scammell equipped the Scarab with a 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 15 horsepower, later upgraded to diesel power units. The single front wheel provided an exceptionally tight turning circle of approximately 8 feet. British Railways operated the largest Scarab fleet, utilising hundreds of units for goods delivery services. Leyland introduced the National in 1972 as a completely integrated single-deck bus. The National represented a radical departure from traditional bus construction methods, featuring a monocoque body chassis structure. This design eliminated the separate chassis frame, reducing weight and manufacturing costs. The National incorporated advanced construction techniques, including extensive use of aluminium alloy panels. Leyland developed the vehicle in collaboration with the National Bus Company, which provided substantial input regarding operational requirements. The bus featured a rear-mounted Leyland engine producing 148 horsepower, later upgraded to turbocharged variants producing 173 horsepower. The National's construction utilised computer-aided design, revolutionary for the early 1970s. The bus measured either 10.3 or 11.3 metres in length, accommodating between 44 and 52 passengers depending on configuration. Leyland manufactured the National at a dedicated facility in Workington, Cumbria. Production employed advanced automation, including robotic welding systems, exceptional for British manufacturing in that era. Between 1972 and 1985, British operators purchased over 8,000 National buses, marking one of the most successful runs for a domestic bus model in the UK. The National served extensively with municipal transport operators across England, Scotland and Wales, quickly becoming a familiar sight on British roads. Its popularity stemmed from its revolutionary design and construction, which made it stand out from its predecessors and competitors.